This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Thursday, May 23rd of 2013. We do have a couple of hazardous weather highlights to discuss. One we have talked about for the past few days, and that's the frost potential for northern lower Michigan. And that is going to be for tonight as well as Friday and Saturday nights now. And due to the recent rainfall, we also have some rising water levels on many area rivers and streams, and in particular, we have a flood warning currently out for the Rifle River near Sterling. Some impacts from these rising water levels are just some minor lowland flooding. And the timing for this will be through tonight before water levels do start to come down as we go into the weekend. On the current weather map, we do have low pressure that is pushing through the Great Lakes region with a strong cold front on its heels, as well as some steady rainfall that's ongoing across pretty much all of northern Michigan. And back behind the rainfall, there's some strong high pressure up in central Canada that is nosing its way into the Dakotas and the upper Mississippi River Valley. By this afternoon, the low pressure moves further east. The cold front is well through our region, and we're going to be more and more influenced by that high pressure with a lot of dry air moving its way in today. And by Friday morning, the high pressure works more into the western Great Lakes region, and we're going to see that this high pressure hangs around all the way through the weekend. And the main weather story is for frost potential, and that is tonight, Friday night, and even for Saturday night now too. That high pressure that does work into the region is going to contain much cooler air and gradually weakening winds that are going to allow temperatures to fall pretty decently at night into the lower and middle 30s for that frost and freeze potential. But as we look at just for today, we do have the steady rainfall that will be moving away from the region. We'll see sun by noon across eastern upper and gradually increasing through the afternoon as the rainfall passes from west to east. High temperatures generally in the low to mid 50s today, so much cooler out there. And recapping the hazards, well, we already touched about the frost and freeze potential, but we also have those rivers that have seen some rises, so look for some minor lowland flooding, especially near the rivers and streams. And that will wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.